Now I need my remove other code to show this dialog here. That is the remove other dialog. So that should be fairly simple. Simply remove the height class, then I can see it. So document query selector, not the query selector all, just the query selector. Now I already forgot what it was called. Remove other with a hashtag and class list remove hide. So this should show the dialog, and then of course I need to add an event listener on the button. So first off, let's have the ignore button. That would be the close button inside the remove other. So if I once again query select the remove other and the close button inside that, add an event listener. If it's clicked, then I call the function close dialog. And I'll just put the function in here, function close dialog. And what should this do? This should take class list remove here. Instead of remove, then we just add. So now when I try to add another winner of the same type, I should see this dialog box, and if I close it and ignore it, then nothing happens. I just want to make sure that nothing actually does happen. Let's see how we get. If I say Horsey is some and Da and Lilo is some, and then I select Scooby-Doo, and then say there can only be one winner of each type. Do you want to remove the other winner? Nope, I just want to ignore it. So Scooby-Doo didn't get made a winner. If I click it again, and then of course if I click remove the other, Lilo should be removed and Scooby-Doo be added. Remove the other does not work. I need to add another event listener there. And I don't have an ID or anything for this. Let's just give it a ID. Remove other. So another document query selector in remove other, and the button called remove other, add event listener, click and say remove. I already have a function called remove other. Remove maybe click remove other. Yeah, I like that. And then of course when I close the dialog, I probably want to remove that event listener again. I think it's a good practice to remove event listeners when you don't need them. Maybe I should also remove the close dialog event listener. So that's just showing and removing the dialog. And then of course click the function here. Click remove other. I don't get any parameters because it's an event listener, but I can just put the code here that I took, the old code. And then after having removed it, I also want to remember to close the dialog, and I already have a function for that. Close the dialog. And let me clean up in my comments. And I think this will work. I have a very good feeling about this. So if I add Lilo, and I add Mando, I remove Lilo, and I try to add Mia. This is, there can only be one winner of each type. Do you want to remove the other winner? Then Mando should be removed and Mia should be added. And nothing happened. Did I need to call the build list? Yes, I did. So build the list again before closing the dialog. I don't need to build the list every time I close the dialog because it might not have changed anything at all. So let's try again. Add Lilo, add Mando, remove Lilo, add Mia, remove the other. Yeah, now it's Mia. And then we can say, do you want to add Mando? Yeah, and now Mando is the winner. Do you want to add Mia? No, I want to ignore it. So, that was that. Or at least, that was one of the rules. So I just have to make the remove A or B now, and I think I can use a lot of the same principles from here. So for the remove A or B, I want to add a dialog, just like it, this one, just going to copy it actually, and then say not remove other, but remove A or B, and the text would be there cannot be any more than 2 winners. Do you wish to remove one of the existing? And then there would be 2 buttons, and they should really be next to each other. So let's put them in a div. Just give it a class here, side by side. And these 2 buttons would be remove A and remove B. B. Remove A and B. So that's their model here. Remove A or B, and the code for displaying it should be a lot similar to this code we have up here, where I'm simply going to copy it directly and then change it, because it's not going to be remove other, it's going to be remove A or B. And then it's going to be remove A is one of the buttons and remove B is the other. So click remove A and click remove B. I think that's it. And then we're going to have the close dialog function, same as up here. Now I'm not going to copy everything, because here I want to show how I can. If I copy all of this into the function and just fix what I cut out there, and then when it's at remove, it should be add, and where it says add, it should be remove, remove, remove. So this should be make me able to at least close the dialog. And then I have the 2 buttons, remove A and remove B. I want to have a function for each one. Function remove A. And this is the code I have here, where it would remove winner A and make the selected animal a winner. And the remove B function would be the same, but different, where it would remove winner winner B and make a winner of the selected animal. And as I remember up here, I need to build the list and close the dialog, no matter what button I press. So this would be exciting. Would this work? Is that enough? It seemed a bit quick. Let's try it. So if I select Horsey and Lilo and Mando, then it says that cannot be any more than 2 winners? Do you want to remove one of the existing, A or B? Click remove A is not defined. 259. Okay, it would have been too easy. That's because I didn't call those click. Just do it. And I can also see the color here that it's unused, but now it is used. Okay. So, Horsey and Lilo and Mendo. There cannot be any more than 2 winners. Do you want to remove one of the existing winners? No, just ignore it. Document is not defined. Okay, it did go really, really fast. I know. Document. Let's try it again. Horsey, Lilo, Mando. Ignore. Still the same ones. I just try to filter. Yes, they're still there. And if I select Mando and then remove A or B, remove A, then I removed Horsey. And then if I try to add Mia, then it says there can only be 1 winner of each type. Do you want to remove the other one? And then it should remove Mando. And now it's Lilo and Mia. And if I try to add Toothless, it asks, do you want to remove A or B? And I would say, yeah, I'll remove A. That's Lilo. So now it works. Wonderful. I can celebrate now, and the classic way to celebrate is, of course, to git status. How much have I changed? I've changed the plan, and I've changed everything. What have I changed in the plan? This one here. Changed the. Yeah, I'm not going to commit the plan yet. But I'm going to add the index HTML, the script, and the styles. And I'm going to commit that as added rules for winners with UI.